All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to make this text 3D. It's called beveling and extruding. So you can see this is live text, so you can still change what it says here. So just grab your selection, make sure you got it selected. Go up to Effect, pull down to 3D and Materials, and Extrude and Bevel. And this is going to give us a basic tilt to the left, counterclockwise tilt here. And you can see the depth here. What that does is, how thick of the extrusion is going to be. And you can see right on the E, you can see like that shadow goes with it. So we'll mess with that in a second too. Um, yeah, so you see that. And then twist this is a different like effect altogether, but it's like, doing that actually, twisting it. And then, yeah, you can taper it in and out like it's coming out at you. So at 100%, it's just square. So there's that. There's if you go up here, you have materials. I'm not going to get into this because it takes a while to render and stuff. But yeah, you can play with that all you want. And then lighting, though, we will touch on that. This will move the source of the light, so you can see the light's coming from right up here. And if you just grab the blue part and move it, you're going to see that now. Look at the shadow on the text. See that moving around. So you can move it, have it come from the other side. That's pretty aggressive actually, but it looks cool. So you got your lighting, and then your extrusion depth right here, boom, and that's really the basics of it. So what you want to do is you just want to get in here and play around. You can do a bevel here, and that's going to give you the edges. I typically don't do that just because it's kind of like pretty old school, but here's your bevel shapes. So it depends on what you need to do. So there's a lot of different options. For sure, you can just turn that on and off. So, um, that's the basics of it. The big, there's one more thing. You can rotate your axis here. So you want to get in here and play with it. But remember this. This is the cool part. Is you can go up here. You can to Window, Appearance, and you can access this. That'll open here, but you can just delete it. See, if you want to get rid of like all of it instead of undoing, you can just put it right back to normal, and then you can go. You already have your 3D panel up. You can just hit Extrude again. See that? So you can get rid of it right here in your Appearance panel. So feel free to mess with it. That's my point of telling you that. Just don't be afraid. You're not gonna hurt anything. So get in there and just go crazy on it and see what you come up with. But anyways, that's the gist of it. So, and you can still type on it. So this is the cool part. You can still change it. So pretty rad, right? So anyways, that's the basics of it. I hope that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.